guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your very own thieves soap. Welcome back everybody, it's Elizabeth from Madera Green Moments, and today I'm going to share with you how to make your very own thieves soap. So, thieves soap is in every place that we wash our hands in this house, sinks by the bathroom and the kitchen, and I need to get another one of these to go in the garage because there's a sink out there too. But this stuff is awesome. We love Thieves, we love Young Living's foaming hand soap, but what I have done is instead of buying their refills, I have found a way to make my own. Tried and true recipe, I make it all the time, and wouldn't you know, all of the dispensers are empty. So I thought, you know what, while I'm making it, why don't I make a video and share with you guys how I do it. I've done this a long time ago on this channel, but I thought, let's do an updated version. But what you're going to do is you're going to need a foaming hand soap dispenser. You can find them on Amazon. I will link my favorites down below. But I also really recommend you buy your first Thieves soap bottle from Young Living so it's advertised pretty. So when you have your friends come over for your dinner party or whatever and they're like, oh, my hands smell amazing, you can say I use Thieves, because we're just refilling it after it empties out. So if you are not a DIYer, click out of this video, I will not be offended, and buy it from Young Living and you can just squeeze it in. However, I'm all about saving money and having my essential oils go further. So what you're going to need is your foaming hand soap bottle. You're going to need a good essential oil for soap. So think of orange, lemon, maybe lavender would be good too, but my favorite is honestly the Thieves. So you're going to use your favorite essential oil, your foaming hand soap dispenser, and you're going to need some Bronner's Castile soap, and you're going to need some water. So first things first, I'm going to put my essential oil in first, because if you do the water first or the Castile soap, we may not have room for the oil. So we're going to do 5 to 7 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 for good measure, so we did 8. Oh, yes, take a good sniff while you're making it. Now, why do we not use soap from the grocery store anymore? Because it has horrible chemicals that can disrupt your hormones, among other things. I know one that we were really concerned with for a while was triclosan. Sorry, this Castile soap's brand new. And I think I heard in the news a while back that they were getting rid of it. Now you're going to take your Castile soap. If you're wondering where you can get this, I will link it down below. But you're going to do 2 tablespoons, and I'm going to eyeball that. So 1, 2. It's not an exact science, guys. And then you're going to fill this 3/4 of the way with water. Now the reason why is because when you put that pump in here, it will start overflowing. I have learned the hard way. Learn from me. All right, so I think that's 3/4 of the way. Hopefully I'm setting a good example for you. And it's not going to overflow or I'm going to be really bummed. Okay, no, it's not. Yay! Okay, so now we're just going to give it a gentle shake. Not too crazy because this isn't like foolproof here to not spill. And then when you go to wash your hands, let's get our pump going. Look at that! We have foaming hand soap! It's luxurious, it's foamy, and it will work. It'll work wonderfully. I should have brought a towel in here. I'm looking around like, what can I wipe my hand on? So I'm probably gonna have to say goodbye so I can go wash my hand. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this hand soap video. And if you like these videos, give it a thumbs up. I'm posting here every Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday consistently now, as you guys have requested. And then over on our vlog channel about Disney cruises, vacations, and home renovations, since we're working on that on this new house we've moved into. Make sure you subscribe over there if you want to see those adventures. I'm spilling all over, so I gotta let you go. But thank you guys for hanging out with me. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys!